In this video, we'll be replacing the driver's side inner fender liner in this 2007 Mazda CX-9. Up front here we have three 8mm bolts or Phillips head screws. We're going to use the 8mm bolt option. From the center, you can go out. We have two push pins. We're going to remove those with a panel tool. And now from here, we can just drop down the front and slide that liner out. We're going to take our inner fender liner and we're going to sit the wheel well side on top of our fender liner. And we're going to raise it up, slide it into place, and we're going to take one of our 8mm and start that by hand. And we'll just snug this up, and we can actually let go of that. Grab our two other 8mm. And then from here we have our two push clips. That's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.